Pet Evolution is a terrific new model. It's a brand new franchise. It is health and wellness for your pets. So everything we have is based off of being free of byproducts and chemicals and being healthy. And then we also have full service grooming. We have self-serve bathtubs. So we have 5 bathtubs that you can bring your dog in, clean them up, and leave the mess for us. We have all the towels and all the shampoo that you need. And then we also have a mobile nail van, nail trimming and dental cleaning van. Our groomers are so caring. They take their time. You know, a lot of dogs aren't that different from people. A lot of them have anxiety. They get nervous. They've had bad experiences. And I've seen our groomers just on the ground, playing with the dogs, making sure that they get comfortable before, you know, any service is performed. We're not here to rush. We're here to give your dogs, or cats, by the way, we also groom cats, you know, the best experience and make sure that this is a place that they want to come back.
It's different because the environment that we've built here, we're all super passionate about animals. A lot of us have been grooming a long time. Myself, I've been a groomer for over 10 years.
So I started in franchising 19 years ago. I started as a Fantastic Sam's owner, still am. Then I got into Massage Envy, and I still am. Opened a massage school. And then some people that were involved in the Massage Envy world started this franchise. And I was one of their first calls. And I loved the model. I got my first dog 6.5 years ago. I did not grow up with pets. I love my dog Maggie, and it was just a wonderful entry into a whole new industry. It's caring for people, caring for their pets, you know, providing amazing customer service, which I humbly say our staff here is amazing. Come on in and experience it. But, you know, it's taking care of people and their pets, and there's nothing better. And then I get to play with a lot of pets all through the day, which is a lot of fun.
This is Hazel. She's an Aussie Doodle. She was getting a tidy up, which means she got her face trimmed up, her sanitary areas, and her paw pads. We trimmed the nails, did a bath, a conditioner package, and then teeth brushing. Dogs like this, they mat really easily, so they have to have this coat taken down, or taken all the way to the root here and brushed out thoroughly and combed out thoroughly, so they don't end up getting mats, which are really painful, and they can start to cause skin issues and irritations.
Our staff has a ton of training. We have vendors coming in all the time doing educational groups with them, sitting down, explaining what the new products are or what's beneficial about their line. So really what I would say is come in, spend some time with our wellness associates. They are the ones that know what's going to be best for your pets. So we also have a membership which allows you, depending on the levels, we have 3 different tiers. You can come in once a month, twice a month, or unlimited for our self-serve dog wash. On top of that, you also get 10% off our products or services. And if you get the 2nd or 3rd tier membership, you also get a free toy or treat, or 2 toys or treats each month. So they can call us at 763-746-4500, or you can look us up at petevolution.com.